Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what many consider to be the best solar pond lights on the market, the T-Sun Solar Pond Lights. If you're looking to illuminate your garden pond, fountain, or aquarium with vibrant, color-changing lights, the T-Sun Solar Pond Lights might just be what you need. Let's take a closer look at what makes these lights stand out. First off, these lights are equipped with 6 super bright LED beads per head, providing a wide area of RGB color-changing light. Whether you prefer a peaceful blue, a vibrant green, or any color in between, these lights can create a stunning ambiance. What's impressive is their versatility. You can place them underwater in your pond or aquarium, or even mount them on the ground or a wall as landscape lights. This flexibility makes them perfect for various outdoor settings. One of the standout features is their solar-powered design. With a high-efficiency solar panel and a large-capacity battery, these lights can operate for 6 to 8 hours on a full charge. Plus, they automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, thanks to their light-sensing technology. In terms of durability, T-Sun has ensured these lights are built to last. They boast an IP68 waterproof rating, meaning they can be fully submerged without any issues. This makes them not only suitable for ponds and fountains but also highly resilient against the elements. From a user perspective, many customers have praised how easy these lights are to install. The package includes everything you need, and the extra long cable provides flexibility in placement. In conclusion, if you're searching for reliable, energy-efficient pond lights that add a touch of magic to your outdoor space, the T-Sun Solar Pond Lights are definitely worth considering. They combine functionality, durability, and stunning visual effects. That wraps up our review of the T-Sun Solar Pond Lights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy lighting!